Hello and welcome to today's vlog, this week's vlog. So pretty much what you'll see in this video is 1, Peyton's birthday dinner, 2, an apartment tour of our apartment that's not finished yet, so you'll get another official apartment tour next time. Well, in a few times from now. We're going to a party today that's Western theme, Wild Wild West. So Isaiah's manager, it's his work party, so I'm invited as his +1, obviously. And she said she doesn't know if everyone's going all out or not, so we're just gonna go mild and hope we don't look like idiots. P.S. Payton is in California right now for the entire summer. Right now, literally right this second as I'm speaking, she is with her boyfriend Terry in Chico, California. So for the summer, all of our videos are going to be separated and we won't see each other for like another 2 months. So we'll do some FaceTime collaboration videos. There we go.
The music.
So I said that we would vlog for Peyton's birthday. That didn't happen.
To do.
And
It's a day after, but it's a birthday dinner.
Yeah. It's 2 days after, but yesterday was like her birthday party, kind of. Today we were supposed to go boating, and that didn't happen.
No.
Someone want to explain what happened?
Basically,
The boat broke down.
we showed up, we turned on the music, rode probably the length of 2 football fields, and it shut down.
Whose
Didn't
car
move.
seat is that? Is that your kid's?
Abby.
It's Abby's car seat.
Expecting.
Marin, if we plug it into here, will it play music?
Yeah.
Not yours, Claire's phone.
Oh yeah. So we're at dinner. I got eggplant parmesan.
What is this? Nochi?
Gnocchi.
She said
I thought it
gnocchi.
was nochi, but
I thought so too.
This meat-ish pizza with a lot of grease.
meat-ish pizza, and then this is trophy.
Some trophy wife pasta.
Let me cut it up. You're getting overweight.
Brody got spaghetti.
Blow sparks all over anything.
Happy birthday to you.
It's great lighting. It's right in my face.
Look how good.
You look so pretty. Oh, that's cannolis.
Oh my god.
So we got a Nutella calzone
Here it is.
for her birthday dessert. This is what it kind of looked like. And we forgot to vlog it, so we're just gonna
You guys
vlog.
should ram my head into it like a cake. It's just a plate.
You come out with a bloody nose. A chipped tooth.
Oh my gosh, that just does not feel right.
That's straight up Nutella.
It didn't come off as nice as I wanted it to. I think my taste buds fell off.
Hello vlog. So as you can see, I'm wearing some pretty cute earrings that I got from World Market for free because I stole them. Just kidding. I had $5 off. A $5 off coupon because I'm a member, and these were only $4.99, so boom, free. I got these last week, but I actually paid for them. And I also got this succulent, it's fake, but it's cute. I also got it for free because I have a free succulent coupon from World Market as well, while supplies last. I'm sure that someone just saw me videotaping myself. I'm sure that by the time you guys watch this video, this day will be long gone, so sorry, but I hope you all got your free succulent as well. Also, this is our new car. It's a Mini Cooper, Countryman, so it's kind of like a big Mini Cooper. So like I've never really been into Mini Coopers before because I thought they were too small and I'm kind of like a big person. But this one is not too small. So this is my skirt that I'm wearing today. It's very 80s African. This is the steering wheel. The speedometer is in the middle of the car, which is kind of weird. Here's the passenger seat in my friend World Market. And this is the back seat, and then there's a nice trunk. There's a sunroof, and like ski rack things on top that we will use. And there is the freeway. Hey vlog. So we're in our apartment. Isaiah's doing the dishes, and I am cooking green bean stir fry. Yep, and then the green beans are gonna go in, and it's gonna be a health dinner. So, update on the food.
Whoa.
It was so spicy.
I think they see it.
Can you tell? Anyways, I can barely even eat it because it's just, my mouth is on fire. Like, oh shoot.
Her plate.
Okay, so I am going to give you guys a tour. I always look at myself in the phone and not like at the camera. Anyways, hello. I am going to give you guys a tour of my new apartment. It's like all unpacked, but we haven't put like any decorations up or anything just cause we need to get the right stuff to hang stuff up. So yeah, it's not like completely all done and nice, but I'll update you guys when it is. So I'll just show you what it's like right now, and I'll update you when it gets nicer. This is the front door. There's a window right there. And then when you walk through the front door is the living room. This is where we have like our records and our record station. So yeah, we play records usually to listen to music. A little cactus. This couch, I actually freaking hate this couch. It's ugly and I don't like it, but it was $40, so we got it. We got this from IKEA and the rug. I want to put a bigger, cuter rug like from World Market or something right here. This is our blanket bin. Our TV, we also, this is kind of a mess right now. We'll get a bigger TV soon. This is our dining room table. Yes. And then this is our kitchen. It's also a mess. But like I said, I'll update you guys when our apartment is looking good. I made cookies yesterday. It's a pretty small little kitchen. This is our little rug. This is the cutest picnic basket ever. I'll show you inside. It looks like this inside. Cutie. This is the bathroom. So this is all my stuff, my makeup and stuff, and I hate these countertops too, but it's an apartment, so what are you gonna do? Hello, that's me. Bathroom. There's my bathing suit. I just got that new bathing suit. Here's the bathroom, and then we just have like a white shower curtain. Yes. This is from IKEA as well. And this towel is from Marshall's. This is a painting I painted. This is all of Isaiah's stuff versus all of my stuff. And then this is our bedroom. Welcome to our new home. This is my guy, my man. I forgot to show you part of our bedroom. My mirror that I have in the corner right here, and my ukulele. Isaiah's sister broke the strings, so I just had to get that fixed. And then this, I think is from India, but someone brought it back for me because they knew I was obsessed with India. I didn't get it there. But yeah, I wanted to hang something of my decoration style on the wall. And Isaiah let me put it there, behind the door, in the corner, but that's fine. And then we have a lot of closet space, but I won't show you because it's kind of a mess in there. I mean, it's not too bad, but it's just not pretty. And then we also have a closet right there that has like our cleaning supplies, our travel supplies, random stuff, extra blankets, stocked up on cleaning. Oh, I already said that. Alright, so it is currently 9:47 p.m. And we have until 11:30 to get 7 more people to Postmates from us so we can get 75 doll hairs.
Look, it's our car.
The same car as us is in front of us.
That's
Anyways,
a Paceman,
someone is reaching out to me to be a nanny. Anyways, so yeah, people, Postmates us. I mean, like, hey guys, so it is Sunday, and I just had an interview to be a nanny somewhere because, as you know, I hate my job working at a car dealership. And so we're having a late lunch at a place called Camp Social.
Look at how sweet these cups are.
Yes.
Metal Coors
No
cups.
promo.
Coors Light. When the
But
Rockies turn blue, you know it's cold, or something like that.
so I'll just show you this place. It's pretty cool. There's like a light right there with a little canoe, and like there's just like campers around and a little bear thing guy. And you guys, if you're in Phoenix ever, check this place out. I will show you my food when it comes. That was gross. Also, like, this is good lighting right here. Look at, ooh. A brunch thing called chilaquiles. I honestly didn't know it would be on top of chips. And then we got a side of fries over here. And Isaiah got a hash. I also want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, leave us a comment down below with some words of encouragement and subscribe.